Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that looks glamorous on the surface, but hides a very expensive reality underneath. Billionaire-level cars aren't just vehicles. They're symbols of power, success, and extreme luxury. But what most people never see are the hidden costs that come with owning one of these machines. And trust me, the purchase price is only the beginning. When you see a hypercar worth tens of millions of dollars, it's easy to assume that once you can afford it, everything else is pocket change. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The first hidden cost starts even before the car reaches your garage. Taxes, import duties, and registration fees can add millions to the original price. In some countries, luxury taxes alone can be higher than the price of a brand new supercar. For limited edition cars, paperwork and legal approvals can take months, sometimes years, and that time itself costs money. Then comes insurance, which is on a completely different level. These cars aren't insured like normal vehicles. Insurance companies calculate risk based on rarity, repair complexity, and replacement parts. A single year of insurance for a billionaire-level car can cost more than what most people earn in a lifetime. And that's just to protect the car while it's parked most of the time, because many owners are too afraid to drive them regularly. Maintenance is where things really start to get shocking. These cars are built with experimental materials, hand-crafted parts, and cutting-edge technology. Routine servicing isn't done at your local dealership. It often requires factory-trained technicians, special tools, and sometimes even flying engineers from another country. A basic service can cost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars, even if nothing is wrong. And if something does go wrong, the bill can skyrocket into the millions. Tires are another silent wallet killer. Hypercars often use custom-made tires designed specifically for their performance and weight. These tires wear out extremely fast, sometimes after just a few hundred kilometers. Replacing a full set can cost as much as a luxury sedan. And if the manufacturer discontinues the tire model, owners may have to pay to have new ones specially produced. Fuel might sound like a small issue for billionaires, but even this comes with complications. Many of these cars require special high-octane fuel or racing-grade fuel that isn't available at normal gas stations. Owners sometimes have fuel delivered directly to their homes or stored in special containers. Improper fuel can damage the engine, turning a simple mistake into a multi-million-dollar disaster. Storage is another hidden cost people rarely think about. You can't just park a billionaire-level car anywhere. These vehicles need climate-controlled garages with precise temperature and humidity levels. Too much moisture can damage carbon fiber, leather, and electronics. Some owners build custom underground garages with security systems that rival banks, all just to keep their cars safe. Security itself is a massive expense. These cars attract attention everywhere they go, including from criminals. Owners often hire private security, install advanced tracking systems, and use armored transport to move cars between locations or events. In some cases, the cost of protecting the car annually can exceed the cost of maintaining a normal supercar. Depreciation is another brutal reality. While some rare cars increase in value, many billionaire-level cars lose value the moment they are driven. Mileage is the enemy. Even a few hundred extra kilometers can reduce resale value by millions. That's why many owners barely drive their cars, turning them into expensive statues rather than vehicles. Customization also comes at a price. Billionaires don't want the same car as anyone else, so manufacturers offer bespoke options. Custom paint colors, unique interiors, special materials, and personal branding can add millions to the cost. And once customized, resale becomes harder because future buyers may not like those personal choices. Repairs after accidents are a nightmare. Even a small scratch can require replacing an entire carbon fiber panel. Because parts are rare and often hand-made, repairs can take months or even years. During that time, the car just sits, still costing money in insurance, storage, and security. There's also the cost of compliance with laws and regulations. Emissions rules, safety standards, and road legality vary by country. Some billionaire-level cars aren't street legal everywhere. Owners may need special permits or modifications just to drive them legally. In some cases, cars are restricted to tracks only, which means owning another collection of cars just for daily use. And finally, there's the psychological cost. Owning something this expensive creates constant stress. Every drive feels risky, every sound feels suspicious. Instead of freedom, the car becomes a responsibility. Many owners admit they enjoy looking at the car more than driving it, because the fear of damage is always there. So while billionaire-level cars look like the ultimate dream, the reality is far more complex. The hidden costs don't just drain money, they demand time, attention, and constant care. These cars aren't just about speed and luxury, they're about commitment. And for most people, the dream is better admired from a distance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the real price of extreme luxury, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.